Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So GepRC released a new micro and it's called the GepRC Sparrow V2. Now this one's pretty awesome. I flew the first one and I gave it away to my Patreons. It was pretty awesome, and this one was provided to me by Banggood. So let's quickly take a look at this because we're going to be giving this away after I go fly it, and as you can tell, it's still brand new at the current moment of time, and we're greeted with this nice little bag. So make sure to keep the box here so whoever wins this will get to take everything. So, alright, so let's take a look here. So we were greeted with some papers that talks about this is the FrSky XM Plus, I believe, yes. And let's just take a look at what it comes with. Okay, this is awesome, I really like this. So you get a spare dipolar antenna, so there's already one connected here, that's pretty nice. You get a bunch of stickers, and you get a ton load of props here. I think you get like maybe 2 or 3 sets of 3-inch tri-blade props. And we get some battery straps and some more extra antenna protectors just in case. And here's a anti-slip battery pad. Wow, it comes with a lot of things for the bottom. And here's some extra connectors, so that's pretty nice. What is this? Oh my goodness, look at this. That's just crazy. So here's the little beast, but look what the hell is this for? This is, I think, for the battery, I think, to keep it leveled when you're going to fly or race or something. So that's pretty cool, I guess. That's very nice to see. Alright, so let's put this away real quick. Let's take a look at the quad. Now, this quad was absolutely insanely beautiful. The first one I flew, the V1. Now, the V2 here has a lot of different improvements, different VTXs I could tell here. And just the overall different setup. It's using 1408 motors. Holy crap. And it's running 3750 kV motors. I mean, look at it. It's just gorgeous. It's just absolutely phenomenally beautiful. XT30 connector, so that's very nice. You could put that anti-slip battery pad, and your battery strap's going to go through the bottom here. As you can tell here, there's notches here that'll actually have the battery strap fit beautiful. So I really like this, and I believe this thing can take a 4S absolutely no problem. So this thing is going to be an absolute screamer. So you're using real official RunCam micro in here, so that's very nice to see. I think this is the Sparrow V2, and you have your little, angle set up here. You have your little, it's very nice. It's really thought out. GepRC is just an absolutely beautiful company. I really love this company, and a lot of people will agree with me. They have some crazy stuff. So overall, I mean, this is just a quick overview of this whole setup here, this BNF quadcopter. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a giveaway. So the way to enter the giveaway is to download the application. I have 2 apps, one for iOS, one for Android. And within a couple days, I'll release a push notification with instructions how to submit yourself. It's very simple. Just basically, you just click submit and it'll automatically pick a winner. So I'll be releasing a push notification. There might be 2 giveaways, one for iOS and one for Android. So make sure you download the app and just go ahead and wait for the push notification, and we'll announce the winners. So it's going to be pretty interesting and pretty cool. I will fly this, review it, and then after review is when we will go ahead and announce the winner for this little guy. So I'll make sure not to pound him. I'll make sure I just fly him very good, get his flight characteristics, see how well it's performing, video noise, all that kind of crazy good stuff, its performance, and then just come back, report back, and announce the winner. And I believe the winner is just gonna have, I mean, look how beautifully clean this thing is set up. It even has a buzzer this time. We have our LEDs, we have our XM Plus. I like how they set up the XM Plus here. So overall, I mean, it's very nice, very beautiful. It's a little bit on the heavy side here, but we'll go ahead and do that. We'll check its weight once we go ahead and fly it and test it out. Overall, that's all I got to say, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be giving this away, and I have more BNF quads to give away for my Patreons and possible YouTube giveaway also. This is considered part of the YouTube giveaway currently. So make sure you download the app. Don't miss out. Within 48 hours, 72 hours, I'll release that push notification. And yeah, just keep monitoring it and don't miss out. So this is going to be pretty fun, pretty interesting. I might do 2 giveaways, like I said, one for iOS and one for Android. And yeah, and this one, I think this one's going to be, I think it's going to be shared. So this is, both could win, iOS and Android. And then I'll probably do some kind of separate ESC giveaway for the Android application and a separate ESC or FC for the iOS application. So yeah, you're going to get a nice little beast here. I'll make sure I keep everything brand new for you. I already have some 3-inch props. I'll just use those. I'll keep these closed. So yeah, it might be a little bit dirty, just tiny bit once after I use it and test it out, but I'll try to keep it as clean as possible for you. So yeah, this is something to be expected on the channel, and I can't wait till I go test it out and announce the winners. And yeah, just a way to give back to you guys. And I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please go ahead and check out my shop also. I do some awesome things there. We get some awesome things for cheap just to do some what is it called? Word of mouth marketing. Basically, you get the product, a good product that I have tested. You get it for cheap. I talk to the vendors. They give me a good amount, like a limited quantity. You guys go ahead and get them for cheap. And if they're good and you guys like them, you'll obviously recommend it to a friend or recommend it to any other human being via, that's why it's called the word of mouth marketing. It's like you guys test it out. If it's good, you're going to start telling everybody about it. So this was the whole idea. At the same time, everyone gets to win something in return. It's a win-win situation for everyone. And I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, just make sure you follow the links down below to enter and not miss out. And that's it, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Now we'll see you next time. See you guys. Take care.